Good day, investors. Welcome to First Bars Academy. I am Chime Chimobi, the founder of First Bars Academy. First Bars Academy is a global community where people like yourself come to learn and earn together in a positive, empowering community. Today, we will be analyzing Cardano on the monthly, weekly, and daily time frames. So get your notes and learn all you can. So we're currently looking at the monthly time frame. So what do we have from last month? So we can see clearly that last month closed as a bullish month. Now, since last month closed as a bullish month, we expect this month to continue to the upside. However, let's identify our market environment. So we can see that we had an impulse here, we had a liquidity here, we had a correction back to this level of liquidity here, which is our level of demand, and price continued to the upside. So what we can see from this point from a monthly perspective is that the market is currently bullish, right? So since the market is bullish, let's head over to the weekly time frame and let's identify price action. All right, so we're currently on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we can see that we already have a second impulse leg in the market. So since we already have a clear impulse on the weekly time frame, let's use our Fibonacci tool to measure the retracements. So we're going to take our Fibonacci from the low to the high of this move, right? From the low to the high of this impulse. So why do we take it? So why do we take it from the low to the high of the impulse? So we simply take it from the low to the high of the impulse because we are looking to get information on this particular impulse. All right. So if you're looking to get information on this particular impulse, then you have to take it from the low to the high, not from previous impulses in the past. So from this point, you can see that price has already come to test our point 5, right? And price rejected back to the upside from here. So zero point 0.5 is a strong level of retracement. So this means that potentially the market could continue back to the upside from this point. However, another thing we have to take into account is the fact that we have a strong level of supply here, right? So far in the market, this has been the strongest level of supply ever in the history of Cardano. And we can see clearly that this week price came back for a retest, right? And we can see that price is rejecting this level of supply, which is also at the same level where we have our zero point 0.5 retracement level. So this is a nice confluence, right? And as investors, we are looking towards taking making investment choices according to the opportunities that provide us with the highest confluence, which is the highest probability that price may move in a certain direction. Now, this doesn't mean that price must move in our direction every single time, but then we have an idea of what to expect. And that's what I believe separates the normal investor from the profitable investor. So the profitable investor doesn't always look towards capitalizing on every single opportunity and expecting that they will be profitable, right? The profitable investor just knows that they have to capitalize on any opportunity that aligns with what they define as an edge, right? And the outcome is always random, right? But then you know that over an extended period of time, the outcome will be in your favor. So back to our analysis, we know that on the weekly time frame, we have a rejection of our zero point 0.5. Now, let's head over to the daily time frame and let's see what price action we've got. So let's clear this weekly analysis. And looking on the daily time frame, I think we have to bring it back. All right, so looking on the daily time frame, what can we see? So now the confluence becomes clearer. Why do I say this? Simply because this was our level of supply, right? This is the refined level of supply, which is this last buy to sell candle here. which started this sell-off, right? Which is the most volatile sell-off in Cardano's history so far. So this level of supply is also in confluence with this level of demand that we have here. And we can see that this level of demand is exactly at our zero point 0.5 retracement level, right? So just like I mentioned earlier, we're looking towards identifying um, the 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 probability of price moving in our direction, right? And how do we do this? By simply identifying the levels of supply and demand in confluence with our Fibonacci retracement levels. So now you can see that price came back for a retest here, and then yesterday price closed as a bullish engulfing. So this bullish engulfing means that there is bullish momentum back in the market, right? So we're going to clear this, and what do we expect from this point? So since the market has created this bullish engulfing, we also have a new level of demand here, right? So this level of demand now becomes our level of interest. However, we have a level of supply here as well, which is this last buy to sell candle. So what do we expect from Cardano in the coming days? So in the coming days, we expect the market to continue to the upside. However, we expect a retracement back here potentially, but either way, we expect a continuation further above this level of supply that we have here. So in the coming days, we're going to be observing price action in our community every single day to determine the best possible time to participate in the market and also to identify opportunities together. So thank you so much for watching this multi-time frame analysis, right? So do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more investment ideas. Also, you can join our free community where I go live every morning by 9 a.m. with members daily so we explore profitable opportunities together. So if you want to see how we take advantage of these opportunities live, then feel free to join our community by simply going to my Instagram profile and checking the link in my bio. So thank you so much for watching this once again and stay blessed.